Hello, so this is the Nikon Fm2. So it comes in an overall great condition, I would say. So this is the overall condition. Okay, so this is where you change the battery for the light meter. And let's say if you want to change it, you can use a coin nudge just to open it. And then it uses a LR44, two LR44 by the way. So just turn it on, and after that you can just hold on. So this is the battery lah. It uses 2LR44. This is just in charge of the light meter lah. So the camera functionality, it doesn't matter to this battery lah. So some of the camera it uses battery to what do you call it, to use. So for like Canon A1 program or like Canon A1, it uses a battery lah. Okay, so this is the FM2. And the shutter speed can go up to 104,000, which is a very fast shutter speed, I would say. And also we also use this camera ourselves lah. So this is not the exact unit that we use, but yeah, we use the same camera lah, FM2, for our daily shooting. So to open the back of the camera, you push this, and after that just push it out like this, and after that you can open the back of the camera. We have renewed the light seal, and also you can see that the shutter is still working as well. So the first thing first, I'll show you is the the shutter speed lah. So we will start from the lowest, which is bulk mode. So this is bulk mode, and this is 104. Okay, 1060. You can see that it becomes faster and faster lah. Okay. Okay. So it's actually considered very fast already lah for 104,000. Okay, so the ISO right now is set at 400, and when you want to change the ISO, just push this up, and after that just change it. So let's say if your film is 400, you can just put it at 400 lah. Okay, so right now I'll just put the film in. So to put the film in, you plug inside in front of this hose right here, and then after that, just push it to, hold on, this thing you have to push it out like this. Just push it to this side, and after that, this thing just close it down. After that, just wind it. Okay, so when it shows like this, means that the film is already winded lah. Okay, hold on, I accidentally turned on the double exposure. Okay, so when it's fully winded already, you can see that when you wind right, the film filter it goes up. So when it shows number 1 right here, means that this is gonna be the first shot. And just now what I did is this thing lah. So this is for, let's say if you want to double expose, right, you can just push it down. You can see that it does it at once lah. Okay, so this is how you use the the double multiple exposure toggle. And usually just put it like this lah, and then when you want, you can go to the next photo lah. Okay, and this is for the shutter speed, and then this is for the aperture right here, and this is for the focusing. Okay, so the Series E lens is actually the same as the Pancake lah. Okay, I can show you the the focusing as well. So you can find it more thinner in size comparing to the normal one. Okay, so this is a 51.8. So let's say you focus already. So how do you make sure that it's focused, right? So let's say when it shows like this, it's not focused lah. But when it shows like this, means that it's focused already lah. You look into the middle. So in this circle, right, when it show like split like this, right, means that it's not focused yet. So when it shows like this, means that it's focused lah. Okay, so this is how you focus. And after that, how do you shoot is by looking into this thing. So you have press the shutter button. Hold on, you have to, this thing you have to make sure that. Okay, so you have to make sure that this thing it goes like this first, and then only you can shoot. Okay, but let's say if you are doing it like this, right, you cannot shoot you cannot shoot with the camera one because this one is locked. Okay, so make sure that it goes like this, and after that you can see that there will be a minus or like a a circle like that lah. So whenever you change the aperture or like the shutter speed, it will change as well lah. So right now it tells you that this is overexposed already, as there's a plus. So we can maybe gradually put it down a bit. So maybe put it like this. So you can see that the shutter speed right now is 125 lah. And after that the aperture is like 1.8. and this one is a good exposure lah. But let's say when it shows like plus like this means that it's all exposed lah. Okay, so same for the minus as well. So that's how the, what do you call that, the light meter works. Okay, so basically that's how I use the light meter. And then for the, what do you call that, the shutter, the film counter, right, it just shoot until 37, 36, right? Eventually it gets stuck. So when it starts, right, just go ahead and rewind the film by pressing this button, and after that this thing just pull it up and just follow the arrow right here, this one, just wind it like this. Okay, when you feel that it become loose already, just go ahead and make sure that it's fully winded, and after that this thing, push it, so you push it, and after that this thing just push it out like this. Just open it, and then use your hand just to open it like this lah. Because we renewed the light suit, that's why it's a bit stiff sometimes, but then it works fine lah. So basically that's it with the camera. Yep. Oh yeah, forget to show you the lens. So this is the lens. Yeah, so it's actually quite good as well. Yeah, there is some light dust. I wouldn't say it's a 10-10 condition, but I would say it's bearable. There's no visible fungus or like haze. Okay, and also this is how it fits on the lens. It's quite thin in size, as you can see, because normal ones is actually quite big. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.